Breaking news. BUKUNMI OLUSHINA cry out over a certain trending issues. What we do on this channel is to give updates about Nollywood actors and actresses 24 hours. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. BUKUNMI OLUSHINA, a prominent Nollywood actress and singer, stirred social media buzz after sharing rare family photos of her husband and their daughter, Evia. In her Instagram post, BUKUNMI expressed gratitude and offered prayers for her followers, welcoming them into a new month. Alongside the heartfelt message, she humorously commented about feeling like the least attractive person in her family, sparking widespread admiration and support from fans. Fans were quick to praise her husband's appearance, with many commenting on how handsome he looked and how adorable their daughter is. Despite the public's curiosity and demand for more insights into her family life, BUKUNMI has consistently maintained a level of privacy. This rare glimpse into her personal world was seen as a treat for her followers, reflecting her balanced approach to fame and family. BUKUNMI's decision to share the pictures was not just a response to fans but also a celebration of family, emphasizing her appreciation for her loved ones. While the actress is known for her musical talent and acting prowess, moments like this highlight her more personal side, endearing her further to her audience. Don't forget to share your thoughts before you go.